1 exercise 9 I mentioned here, limit, you see limit x belongs to 2. Okay, x square plus x minus 6, you see x square plus x minus 6 by x square minus 4. Now see, my dear students, x means 2. X tends to be 2. That means x has tendency to become 2. So if x is equals to 2, we see 2 square means what? 4. 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. So we are getting something by 0. So we cannot do our math like this. So what should we do? We have to write down x tends to be 2. Then what is the value of 2? 2 is, here we can find the, what can I say, factorize, we can resolve into factors. What will be? X plus 3 and x minus 2, and in the denominator x plus 2 and it is x minus 2. Have you seen? So we can get this and this omitted. So we are left here x tends to be 2, x plus 3 and x plus 2. Now can you put here 2? Can you put the value of 2 here? If it is x equals to 2, then what? 2 plus 3 and 2 plus 2 equals to what? 5 by 4. So we have got the value. Here just we have put x equals to 2. But in this math, here if you put x equals to 2, I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is happening. If x equals to 2 is put here, then you will get undefined, something by 0.
ইশরাক সিয়ামের মাইক্রোফোন অন করা।
So this is really very, very easy maths for your time. You see what the other maths I'm going to show to you. Suppose number 2. You see, limit x tends to be 2, limit x tends to be 2, x cube minus 8 by x square minus 4. X cube minus 8 by x square minus 4. What will you do? You cannot put 2 here, then you will get undefined. So you have to carry on. X tends to be 2, then in the numerator it is x minus 2, it is x square plus what? 2x plus 4, and here it is x minus 2, it is x plus 2. Okay, now x minus 2 and x minus 2 will be omitted from both the numerator and denominator, and we'll be left with this part, x square plus 2x plus 4 by x plus 2. Now if I put x equals to 2, then it will be defined. There is no reason to become undefined. So x equals to 2, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 by 4. Answer is 3. Just please let me know where you have not got it. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay. Question number 2.1. Limit x tends to be infinitive. Limit x tends to be infinitive. Then ln, second bracket, ln 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, then minus ln.
স্যার
Yes.
এখানে সব ম্যাথ কি এরকম?
You're thinking that easy or hard? Which one? Easy?
এটা তো একটু ডিফারেন্ট টাইপের লাগতেছে।
Those two
আচ্ছা
maths
যাই
you
হোক
did, it was those were easy, but there will be no math of those types. Now you see, it is what? Can you do it? And do it now. Limit x tends to be infinity. What can you write here? Ln. What is the formula? Can you please tell me now? Can you please let me know? The formula is what? 2x minus 1 by what? X plus 5. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
During division, it is multiplication. Is it? Now,
Yes,
how
sir.
you will do? Now, how you will do this math? Just let me know. You see, the value of x is infinitive. Then, how to do this math? Okay, x is infinitive. Suppose that means x equals to what? 1 by 0. Example I am giving you. There is a 1 here. So what is 1 by x? 0 by 1. That is, we can write 1 by x equals to 0. So from today, we will come to know if x is infinitive, that means 1 by x equals to 0. Please write it. If x is infinitive, then we'll get 1 by x equals to 0. Please talk to me.
লিখেছি স্যার
That is, limit x tends to be infinitive.
আচ্ছা
Second
স্যার
bracket.
ওই যে মাইনাস ln x প্লাস 5 এর কি হইলো ওটা তো লিখলেন না
Minus 1. This is a
মাইনাস
formula.
ও ও সরি স্যার বুঝেছি সরি
Not a matter. Now, what will we do? We cannot do any math having infinity. So we have to get it in this way by dividing by x. 2 by x. I'm sorry. It is only 2 minus 1 by x. Here, I am going to divide by x. 1 plus 5 by x. What I have done, please let me know.
ফ্র্যাকশনের বোথ পার্টস কে x দিয়ে ডিভাইড করা হয়েছে আর কি।
I have divided both numerator and denominator by x because we have to get this format 1 by x. Now it is 1 by x format, so I can write here. Can you please write down here? It's okay. It's okay. I am going to write down it. Not a matter. X is infinity. Very good. Now please let me know what comes next. Can you please put the value here? Ln 2. If x is infinitive, then 1 by x equals to what? 0. So 2 minus 0. 1 plus. If 1 by x 0, then 5 by x also will be 0. Please talk to me.
ইয়েস স্যার
Yes, sir.
Then we are getting ln 2 answer. This is our answer. Is it 2 by 1 means? Yes.
স্যার লাস্টের লাইনে যে মানে ওইটা লিখলেন না আগে লিম দিয়ে তারপর x টেন্ডস টু ইনফিনিটি
হ্যাঁ এটা
জি স্যার এটা ওখানে
হ্যাঁ।
লিখলেন না
হ্যাঁ x infinitive, right? But if x is
স্যার
infinity, then what is meant by this? That 1 by x equals to 0?
জি স্যার
Okay, we could write here, okay, just another format. You see, suppose this is done. Another format. X infinity means 1 by x is 0. So we can put here, this is 2, 1 by x 0. This is 1. If 1 by x 0, 5 by x 0. That means from today we will come to know x tends to infinity means 1 by x tends to be 0. Same thing. It means same. You see here 1 by x 0. That means this part is 0. I have written this part 0. Here 1 by x is 0. So 5 by x is automatically 0. If 1 by x 0, then 5 by x is always 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you see another math, question number 2. You see, it is limit the same thing. X tends to be infinity. Write down limit x tends to be infinity. Then it is 2x square plus 5x plus 9 plus 5x plus 9 by x square minus 7x plus 3 by x square minus 7x plus 3. What will you do? If we put x equals to infinity, we get infinity by infinity. No calculation. Okay? So because it is undefined. So what is to be done? What will you do? You see, you will write down limit 1 by x tends to be 0. I will divide by the highest power. X square is the highest power here. This is the highest power. Always take it. So I will divide all by x square. Then we'll be left with 2 plus 5 by x plus 9 by x square. Can you please talk to me? 1
Yes,
minus 7 by x plus 3 by x square. Please talk to me. What will you do? You will divide by the highest degree of variable. Here 2, so x square is to be taken. X square, have you seen? So I have divided both the numerator and denominator by x square. And we will get this. Okay? Now you see, if 1 by x equals to 0, what is meant by this? 1 by x square equals to 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then we can also write 9 by x square equals to 0. Is it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That means we get limit 1 by x tends to be 0. Okay, no need to do it. We'll just put the value here. We are done here actually. Here, what is the value of 1 by x? 1 by x equals to 0. So we are getting 2 plus 0 plus 0, 1 minus 0 plus 0. So our answer is 2. If you don't get it, please, you are required to talk to me.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, third step, second step এ ম্যাথের এসে আপনি লিমিট 1 বাই x 0 এটা তো লিখলেন না, মানে কি এটা ম্যাথের লাস্ট স্টেপ চলে আসলে এটা না লিখলেও চলবে?
স্যার এটাই আমি আপনাকে আস্ক করছিলাম একটু আগে।
Okay, this is the original way to do a math. I told you one thing. I am telling it again and again. X tends to be infinity means 1 by x tends to be 0. That's final. No other question. These two indicate same. Have you got me? Hello? Suppose 4 square equals to 16. To do a math, one is writing 4 square and another is writing 16. Same thing. This is that. Is it okay now?
স্যার
Yes.
স্যার আমরা যে লিম 1 বাই x টেন্ডস টু 0 এটা যে আমরা সেকেন্ড লাইনে লিখলাম, এর পরে যে 2 প্লাস 0 প্লাস 0 ডিভাইডেড বাই 1 মাইনাস 0 প্লাস 0, এই লাইনে আমরা লিম 1 বাই x টেন্ডস টু 0 টা কেন লিখলাম না?
Because I have put the value of 1 by x equals to 0, then how we can write here?
তার মানে স্যার আমরা ভ্যালুটা বসিয়ে দেওয়ার
In
পর
this,
আমরা এটা লিখবো
yes,
না?
in the line when we put the value, okay, there will be no x. This is the main condition. In this line, there will be no x. because we are going to put the value of 1 by x. Okay, I think you have got
Okay,
it.
sir.
Okay, that is what you do or what you did in the 6 and 7. Suppose you are given the value of x and y, and you are told to find x square plus 5 xy square plus 2. You are given x equals to 2, y equals to 3. Then you put the value right in this way. Now, do you write here any x? No, because you know the value of x, right? Okay, another question number 31. Limit x tends to be 0. We are getting x by root over 1 plus x, then minus 1. Can you do this math? Suppose if x equals to 0, now put x equals to 0, we are getting what? Root 1. Root 1 means what? 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. That is, the denominator is 0. And we cannot do any math having denominator 0. Will I repeat? No.
জি স্যার
Will I repeat?
হ্যাঁ
Okay.
আরেকবার
Okay. If x equals to 0 given, so we put 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Root over 1 means 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Something by 0 is undefined.
বুঝছি
So
স্যার
okay. So then what should we do? In class 9 and 10, you were taught one thing, that it is irrational number as it is a square root. If there is any irrational number in the denominator, we have to rationalize by taking their conjugate. Conjugate means what? Suppose it is a minus b and it is given, right? So what is its conjugate? Can you please tell me? It is in the form of a minus b. So what I need? A plus b. I have multiplied both the numerator and denominator by root over 1 plus x plus 1. That is, it is a minus b, and I have taken here a plus b. Can you please remember? X equals to root 3 plus root 2. Then you had to find the value of 1 by x by multiplying root 3 minus root 2.
জি স্যার
Yes, sir.
Now it is limit x tends to be 0. You see, here we are getting x root over n 1 plus x plus 1, right? Now in the denominator, a minus b, a plus b equals to what? A square minus b square. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now please calculate. Limit x tends to be 0. Then we are getting here x into root over 1 plus x plus 1. Okay. And in the denominator, we are getting 1 plus x minus 1. Right? Root and 2 will be omitted. That means limit x tends to be 0. Here, what is? We are getting 1 will be omitted, x will be omitted. So we'll be left with only root over 1 plus x plus 1. Now, can you put the value of x equals to 0? Now you put the value of x equals to 0. X equals to 0. That is 1 plus 1. Answer is 2. Can you please talk to me? If you don't understand. Huh?
বুঝছি স্যার
Okay. So every math
কিন্তু স্যার এই জিনিসটা আমরা কেন করি, তার দরকার কি?
limit,
জি স্যার।
when you will run a business, then you will come to know there will be a limitation of doing business.
আর স্যার বিজনেস না করলে?
করবো না বিজনেস।
What will you do?
আপনি যেটা করেন।
বিজনেস
Ha 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 ha. I request you all not to become a teacher at least in your life.
আমি জানি সবচেয়ে কঠিন একটা প্রফেশন।
প্রফেশন হচ্ছে টিচার।
The worst
I know.
profession, the worst profession, also noble profession. Okay, I am telling noble. Don't say
জি স্যার বুঝছি।
okay. Don't try to write down novel. Okay. Now
স্যার
you see.
এমনিতেও তো ভালো।
Sorry. Hello.
স্যার
Not
আমি
get-
বলছিলাম যে ভালো মানুষ হইলেও তো বেল নাই, তাইলে তো একই জিনিস দাঁড়াইলো।
right. You are okay. Anyway, we are getting here again. This one 1 plus x minus here 1 minus x. It is x, right? Now what should we do? You see, if we put x equals to 0, then it will be undefined. Then what is our first duty? You know, this is opposite is plus, right? So we can do one thing. If it is in the numerator, then you have to get it in the denominator. Vice versa. The procedure is vice versa. Just let me know where you have not got it. Okay, its conjugate is, if it is a minus b, then it is a plus b, a plus b. Okay, now in the numerator we get this formula, a square minus b square, right? And here we get root over 1 plus x now carry on. You calculate it by yourself. What will be your calculation? You see, limit x tends to be 0. We are getting here 2 square root will be omitted, 1 plus x, here minus 1 plus x, and here root over 1 plus x plus root over 1 minus x. Is it? So here 1 and 1 will be omitted. There will be twice x in the numerator. In the denominator we will have only x. That is limit x tends to be 0. It is twice x. It is x root over 1 plus x plus root over. Very good, not a matter. You cancel x and x. Now you put x equals to 0. It is 2. That is root over 1 plus 0 root over 1 minus 0. Can you please let me know what is the answer? The answer is 1.
1.
Have you copied it?
ইয়েস স্যার।
এক মিনিট একটু।
Question number 3. Shondit is not here today,
স্যার হয়েছে।
so no sound.
স্যার আজকে তো আপনি ফর্মুলা জিজ্ঞেস করছেন না ট্রাইগোনোমেট্রি এর জন্য চুপ।
Oh, I have posted some formula of calculus. Have you seen?
আর ওইটা তো মানে
Yes,
কিছু
sir.
সব মাথার উপর দিয়ে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার ওগুলা তো দেখি
By
মনে হচ্ছে।
by my next class, you all will memorize. Okay. Now do it. It is your turn. I wanna see who can do it first.
Sir, 5/2. Sir,
স্যার কল ধরতে গেছে।
5/2, I guess. Well, I guess.
No. No, I am here. I am getting you, please. Okay. I am telling you one thing, that why only one student will get the answer as 5/2? Is it that others have another answer, or others have
স্যার
not
আমি এটা
done?
ক্র্যাক করতে পারছি না।
Sorry, can you see the board?
স্যার 5/2
স্যার স্যার আমি বলছি যে আমি বুঝছি না এটা কেমনে শুরু করব।
Okay, I don't know. Then what you were taught by me up to this?
মাত্র যেটা করাইলো ওইটাই, বাট
It is a minus b. Okay, so by a plus b, you will multiply both the numerator and denominator.
স্যার ওইটুকুই
সরি
করছি।
স্যার বুঝছি।
Yes. Uh,
না
I am
স্যার
ashamed.
করতেছি, একটু সময় দেন।
I am ashamed. I am really ashamed. Okay.
আই এম সরি স্যার, আমি খেয়াল করিনি।
Okay, please do it and let me know, all of you.
তো 5/2 আসছে।
5/2.
আরে ভাই আমাদেরও করতে দে।
All of you will do. If you cannot do, then I should not go to the next
5/2
math, because
আসছে।
next math is a little bit harder. Don't make sound.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, এই ম্যাথ গুলা কি কয়েকদিন পরে এমসিকিউ হয়ে যাবে?
MCQ.
স্যার আসছে 5/2।
You can tell me.
স্যার এই কোশ্চেন গুলো কি স্যার মানে
জি স্যার
এমসিকিউ মতো হয়ে
5/2
যাবে?
আসে।
MCQ in the format MCQ.
স্যার,
It will be math of 4 marks.
স্যার আমার তো কম টাইম লাগবে স্যার।
Huh? Come time.
মানে স্যার, জি স্যার, তাহলে এমসিকিউ না?
Now you see what I'm giving you. Just wait. If you wait, then you'll come to know which kind of math may be of limit. Do it now.
জি স্যার।
Now do it. It is your turn. All of you will do. If you cannot do, then I'll not go to the next math, because you will be needed this math to do in the next maths. X minus 1. So if you don't know the initial maths, x square minus 1 plus root over. Okay, I've given another 2 maths of 2 and 2, 4 minutes time. Okay. Minus 2 and it is 0. Is there anybody here who has failed to do these 2 maths?
ইয়েস স্যার, আমার মনে নাই।
Okay. Who are you?
আপনি কোথায় যাচ্ছেন বারবার? খেতে যাচ্ছেন?
I just had bit of the. Okay. So, dear students, you did a lot of maths by yourself. Now, we are going to the maths of different dimension, wholly and fully, and the most important math, 4-1. Limit, you see, x tends to be infinity. Infinity, okay? Now it is 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power minus x. Then it is by 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power minus x. What should we do? Just let me know. Here, which one is the highest power? X, it is the highest, right? It is minus x. So, what I taught you? To divide limit x tends to be infinity. I can change it afterwards. I have to divide by 3 to the power x. It is divided by 3 to the power x, then it is 1. Can you please tell me what will be here? 3 to the power minus x divided by 3 to the power x. What will be the result?
3 to the power minus 2x.
3 to the power?
minus 2x.
I can't see my mobile. Where is my mobile? I got it. I am not getting you. 3 to the power?
Minus 2x.
minus 2x.
It is 3 to the power minus x into 3 to the power. It is minus x can be written. That means it is 3 to the power minus 2x. Who is there not to get? Everybody has got, right? 3 to the power minus 2x. Is it okay to all? Now, we are also getting here 1 plus same thing. Is it or not? Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can we write down like this? It implies that equal to limit x tends to be infinity. Now, can you please tell me what is 3 to the power minus 2x? Huh? What is 3 to the power minus 2x? Can you please let me know? One by
3 to the power 2x.
is it or not? And it is 1 plus 3 to the power 2x. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Then limit x tends to infinity. Now you see 1 by 3 to the power 2x. That means 1 by 3 to the power infinity. Is it or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means 1 by infinity. That means 1 by 0. That means 1 into 0 by 1. That is equal to 0. So 1 by 3 to the power 2x means 0. You have got it or not?
জি স্যার।
Okay. So we can write here in this math, we can write here 1 minus 1 by infinity 1 plus 1 by infinity. If you don't get, I can show you again. 3 to the power 2x means what? 3 to the power 2x means 1 by infinity. And 1 by infinity equals to what? 0. So we can write here 1 minus 0, 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
There is another math.
স্যার ইনফিনিটির পার্টটা না লিখে 0 লিখলে হতো না?
Better to show, otherwise you will sometimes forget.
ঠিক আছে।
Question number 2. 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x, sine b 2 to the power x, and limit x tends to be infinity. The limit is x tends to be infinity. Number 2. Can you please let me know how does it come? All of you. Hello.
Sir, board clearly দেখতেছি না।
You see, my dear students, the most important math. Last year it was given in the Dhaka board. In Dhaka board. This part, actually, what is given normally there? Normally, we get this part as by what? Let b by 2x is equal to. Normally, we are given in the question as by theta. Am I right?
বোর্ডটা ব্লার দেখতেছি।
Board is
আচ্ছা
blurred.
বোর্ড আমি ক্লিয়ার দেখতেছি।
স্যার বোর্ড ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার ঠিক আছে।
Okay. Now you see, from here we can write 2 to the power x is equal to b by theta. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me know if x tends to be infinity, then theta tends to be b by something by infinity is what? 0. Remember, something by infinity, answer is 0. Please remember it. Last time I showed you something by infinity is 0 because, oh my god, because we can write here infinity is what? 1 by 0. That is 1 into 0 by 1. We are getting 0. Talk to me.
Yes,
Talk to
sir.
me.
জি স্যার।
Okay. Now we see what you get then. Therefore, limit, now it will be what? Theta tends to be 0. Theta tends to be 0. X tends to be infinity. Now it is theta tends to be 0. B by infinity. So theta equals to 0. Here, theta tends to be 0. Now you put the value here. What? 2 to the power x equals to what? B by theta. We are getting b by theta. Now sine theta. Are you getting me or not? I have just put the values here. I have put the value of 2 to the power x and b by 2 to the power x. Okay? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
जी sir.
Limit theta tends to be 0 sine theta by theta. Okay, can you write this? Or not?
जी sir.
Yes, sir.
You know, this is a formula whose value is 1.
স্যার এই জন্য কি আমরা থিটা ধরে নিছি লেট দিয়ে ওইটা
Yes,
ফর্মুলা আনার জন্য
you are right. And you can tell me, sir, we cannot take it without proof. Okay, I'll prove it. Sine theta by theta, you see what I'm going to write down here. Write down limit x tends to be 0 sine x by x.
তো ওইটার ভ্যালু 1 কেমনে হইছে?
Okay, I'll prove it, Baba. To limit, suppose y tends to be 0 tan y by y. Example I'm giving. For sine and tan, it is always 1. I'll prove it.
এটা ফর্মুলা?
This is our formula in this exercise. It can be alpha, it can be theta, it can be gamma, it can be beta, whatever it is, okay? But I'll prove it. Today I'm not going to prove it because if I prove it, you will run from me.
পালাই যাব
You will flee away. Now, question number 5. You see another important math that is always given in the exam. Question number 5. So please pay attention here.
স্যার এই এক্সারসাইজে কয়টা ম্যাথস আছে?
You are being bored.
না স্যার, জানতে ইচ্ছা করলো।
It depends that how you get it. If you
So
get
এখানে
that,
x tends to infinity.
not getting you,
So এখানে x
all
tends to infinity.
x tends to a. Okay, this is the math. You please pay attention. In this math, what will you do? Write down. Write down. Let root over x equals to y. Okay, and here it is what root over a equals to b. I have let. Okay, then if x tends to be a, that means root x tends to be root y. If x tends to be a, that means what? Root x tends to be root a, right? Is it? Please talk to me. Root x tends to be root a. Talk to me.
জি স্যার
That means what is the value of root x? Y. So we can write y tends to be b. Are you getting me or not?
Yes sir.
If x equals to a, then what is the value of x? It is y. Suppose it is y, y. It is what? B, b, right? Now we can write here, you see, limit for x, what will you write? For x, we will write y. Y belongs to b. Please try to get it. X equals to a now has been expressed as y equals to b. Is it? Now you see, implies that, can you please let me know what is the numerator?
X to the power 7, sorry, a to the power 7 minus b to the power 7.
Can I write y to the power 7 minus a to the power 7? Can you write, sorry, b to the power 7? Can you write y minus b? Please try to understand what I have written. X to the power 7 by 2. Can we express root x whole to the power 7? Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
This
5.
then what is the value of root x? Root x equals to what? Y.
1.
You please pay attention. Please try to get it. You know what is this formula? Our math is done. Now you let me know what you have done, sir. Now what is the value of b? B equals to what? Root a 7 root a whole to the power 6. That is 7 a cube. Now you can ask me how and why we have done 5 1. Question number 5
Sir,
7 a cube.
বুঝলাম না।
Okay, that I know that you have you have not got it. I know this. I am going to show it. There is another formula. You please write down the formula. Write down the formula. Limit x tends to be a x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a is equal to n a n minus 1. What is n in this math? In this math, our n is 7. N is 7. I have written 7. Here, what is a? A is this part is a. So here, this part is a. That is b. N minus 1. That is 7 b6. The value of b is root a. I have put the value. Perhaps you have not got it right. So I am going to give you another math. Not a matter. Don't be puzzled. I am going to give you another math. Then you'll come to know. You see, another math is going to be given you. Important math. Limit x tends to be a, okay, x to the power 5 by 2 minus a to the power 5 by 2 by root x minus root a. What will you do? At first, let me know. Your first duty is to let this root x equals to what? Suppose it is z. I'm giving an example. This root a equals to what? Suppose it is c. Can you let? Yes, we can let as you like. Then x belongs to a. That means z belongs to c. X belongs to a. Okay, x belongs to a. That means z belongs to c. Have you got it? Now you see this can be written limit z belongs to c. Okay. Now it is what? X to the power 5 by 2. That means what? Can you write z to the power 5? Minus, can you write c to the power 5? Can you write z minus c? Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is what? Root x whole to the power 5? It is root x. It is what? Just let me know. It is what? It can be written root x whole to the power 5. So what is the value of root x? Root is equals to z. I have written z to the power 5. In the same way, it is what? It is root a whole to the power 5. What is root a equals to c? So c to the power 5. Root x equals to z. Root a equals to c. Now, what is the formula that I told you? N. What I told you? Let me know. N. What is the formula? N. It is n.
Sir, n a to the power n minus
This
1.
is a n minus 1. What is the formula? I am writing n a n minus 1. This is the formula. So we can write here 5c4. What is the value of c? C equals to what?
Sir,
Root a.
স্যার
root a, yes, you are
স্যার
allowed to tell me.
ফর্মুলার প্রুফ কি স্যার নেক্সট দিন দেখাবেন?
Yes. Normally first day we don't, I don't show the proof. Okay. At first I do some maths. Okay, please try to understand. Are you getting me? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to another math question number 6-1, sorry. 6-1. This math is given a limit x tends to be 0. Limit x tends to be 0. E to the power x minus e to the power minus x wholly and fully divided by x. Now, what is e to the power x and what is e to the power minus x? Do you know or not? This is my question.
Sir, e to the power x হচ্ছে ln x.
I am not going to differentiate. Okay, you see, all of you are required to pay attention. 100% attention is needed here. This is x. E to the power x, you write down the formula. 1 plus then x by 1 factorial by x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial. The next part will be x to the power 4 by 4 factorial. Then the last part will be in this way, x to the power 5 by 5 factorial. In this way, it is an irrational number. Factorial sign, okay, very good. You give like this: 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Now, can you please tell me what is e to the power minus x? What is e to the power minus x? Who can? 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus. Now, how you will come? Suppose I am going to put this value. This value. Here x is negative, so it will be minus x whole cube by 3 factorial. That means what? Minus x cube by 3 factorial. Am I right? For this I have written is minus. Another thing, same thing, just plus minus plus minus plus minus in this way. Nothing else. Okay. In class 9 and 10, suppose I showed you what is e to the power 1. That means what is e. Can you please remember what is e? 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial, 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial, 1 by 4 factorial. If you go for adding this part, you will get 2.718 like something. Okay, or you can use the calculator. E to the power 1 equals to this. You can use the calculator. Now you just similarize this. It is now e to the power x. For 1, if it is x. For 1, if it is x, it is the 1. Now it will be x square. It will be x cube. It will be, it will be x to the power 4. Okay. Have you got it? Now you go for calculating. Can you please calculate it? It is x. Hello. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you see 1 minus 1 equals to 0. This, so what will be left with? Can you please let me know? Talk to me.
স্যার যেগুলোর পাওয়ার ইভেন হবে ওগুলো।
Okay, so this and this will get, so we'll get 2x by 1 factorial, right? Is it? Then
Yes, sir.
x cube by 3 factorial. Can you please tell me what will you get here? X to the power 5 by 5, though it is not written, but I can write it. There is a sequence. Will you get it or not? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you see, from the numerator, one thing can be taken common. What is that? One thing can be taken common, that is x from the numerator is equal to limit x tends to be 0. I can take twice x common. 2 is given. So that is here 1 by 1 factorial. Here x square by 3 factorial. Here x4 by 5 factorial plus dot 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 by x. Now actually what we are getting here, this x cancelled. Now can we put the value of x equals to 0? Now you put the value of x equals to 0 because there is no x in the denominator. So let's put x equals to 0. So 2 into 1, it is 0, it is 0. So our answer is 2.
স্যার উপরের
Yes.
লাইনে x টু দি পাওয়ার 5 হবে না?
No, I have taken x common.
স্যার x টু দি পাওয়ার 5 বাই ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল 5।
Oh my god, I have taken x common.
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা বুঝেছি স্যার, বুঝেছি।
Okay, is it okay to all? Now, in the same way, you all are required to do a math at home, and you are also required to post it in the messenger group. I want to see who can do it at first. E to the power x plus e to the power minus x, then minus 2 by x.
So এটা কত নম্বর ম্যাথস?